Hey everyone, Sennheiser HD505 is a noteworthy addition to the brand's premium audio lineup, specifically targeting audiophiles who seek an accurate and immersive listening experience. Initially launched for the global market earlier this year, HD505 has now made its official debut in China, priced at $303. This open-back, over-ear headset is designed to deliver the signature Sennheiser sound profile, combining precision, clarity, and comfort in a sleek and modern package. One of the standout features of the HD505 is its open-back design, which allows for a natural and expansive soundstage. This design choice enhances the listening experience by providing a more immersive and detailed audio presentation, making it ideal for critical listening and enjoying music in its purest form. The headphones are equipped with 120-ohm dynamic transducers, capable of reproducing a wide frequency range from 12 Hz to 38.5 kHz. Sennheiser has further refined the sound by incorporating a damping ring behind the transducer, resulting in smoother high frequencies and a controlled, resonant bass that maintains clarity across the entire frequency spectrum. Comfort is a key focus of the HD505, making it suitable for extended listening sessions. Weighing just 237 grams, the headphones are lightweight and designed to minimize fatigue. The headband is flexible and padded with soft materials, ensuring a comfortable fit for long periods. The design pays homage to Sennheiser's HD500 series heritage, featuring a sleek black finish with subtle gold accents that add a touch of elegance. The headphones come with a 1.8-meter detachable cable that terminates in a 3.5-millimeter plug, and a 6.35-millimeter adapter is included for compatibility with professional audio equipment. Sennheiser has gone to great lengths to ensure that the HD505 meets the high expectations of audiophiles. The laminated diaphragm enhances both low and high frequencies while maintaining transparency, and the lightweight voice coil captures even the most subtle details in the music. These engineering choices result in a clear, distortion-free sound profile, with a maximum sound pressure level of 107.9 decibels, and distortion levels kept below 0.2% at 1 kHz. This level of precision ensures that the HD505 delivers an authentic and engaging listening experience, whether you're enjoying music, movies, or gaming. In a market filled with competitors, the Sennheiser HD505 stands out as a premium option for those who value audio fidelity and comfort. Its combination of advanced engineering, thoughtful design, and Sennheiser's renowned sound quality makes it a compelling choice for discerning listeners. While other brands like Bolt continue to innovate with features such as Dolby Audio and AI-enhanced microphones, the HD505 remains focused on delivering a pure and immersive audio experience, solidifying its place as a top contender in the world of high-fidelity headphones. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and God bless you.